So what you can also do is you can resize out the resolution of a video by using magic tools inside of CapCut. So to do that, you need to go under magic tools right here, and once you go around over there, then you can see that resize video is an option. Once I go around and click over here, then what it allows me to do is select out a video from my computer right here, or I can select a video from the cloud as well. So I'm going to go around over here onto let's say for example, and select this video clip right here and click on open, and you can see that it uploads out a video clip right here. So now what you can see is you can go around and then click and drag around right here to resize out the video as I like right here by clicking and dragging this out. This is more for like, let's say for example, cropping it out into 19:16, and you can see that you can resize it out right here and then place it wherever you want, just like this. You can make it, let's say for example, square as well, just like this, and this is what you have. You can go around, resize this, and let's say I want to go around and place it just like this right here. You can also go around and trim out the video into a certain portion. Let's say for example, I just want the resize video to be around 10 seconds of length right here, and let's say from here to here. So you can go around and trim it out over there as well, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And if it is, let's say for example, just like this, and you don't see the full area of the trim video, then you can go around and add in a blur effect, or you can also go around and add in an image as you like right here. So let's say for example, I can go around and add in this image as a background as well. So you can go around and take this into the multi-track editor, or you can directly export this in a certain quality as you like, as you can see. So high quality is 1080p, but I'm going to keep it as 360p and click on export. And what happens is that it exports out the video. The video is being exported, as you can see right here. And then what happens is that it gets saved out. So now you can go around and download this onto your computer, or you can play this out right here to see the preview, as you can see on how it looks. If I were to click on download, it is downloading, as you can see right there, just like that. So I'm just going to go around and save it out right here. And you can see that the download has been started, and this is the video that I have right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the resize video option inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.